Now, in 2026, the chemistry DIOS again launching its correspondence learning program. The correspondence learning program. Correspondence learning program. Which was up to 2019, which was up to 2019 was part of our program. But in 2020, due to corona and some academic disturbance, online course, engagement with online, this course has been discontinued. This correspondence course is again launching in the month of January, from the 15th January. Several students take the notes from Photostat Shop or Amazon and call me that your notes is available. I brought these notes in 2000 or 3000 rupees. Now, so that is not my note. I cannot give any guarantee for that. What is written in that, I am not responsible for that. Our correspondence learning program is a broad program. पहले भी ये broad program था. Our correspondence learning program include 8 booklet containing detailed notes of paper 1 and 2, not handwritten, that is available on Amazon or Photostat Shop. A student tell me, I don't know where it is available or where it is not. But it was handwritten note. Our notes is not handwritten. Printed notes. Printed notes. Printed notes. Two booklet of PYQ solution. PYQ solution of paper 1 and 2 from 2010 to 2025. This is the package which is delivered to you. Now, along with tutorial of paper 1 and 2 for practice, tutorial for practice, along with model solution for your answer writing approach. This program also include guidance. It is a broad program. Earlier we a broad program था guidance. Online guidance. पहले जो गाइडेंस प्रोग्राम था उसमें आपको दिल्ली आना पड़ता था, बट अब ऑनलाइन हो गया. एट द वीकेंड second and last weekend of month, total 10 classes of guidance, 5 months. It also include test, 3 in paper 1, 3 in paper 2. This is the complete package of correspondence learning program, not just giving the notes and then you are responsible for all. Doubt clearing session, evaluation, any study follow 3 parts. That is a study, writing approach, then evaluation. All 3 are included in this. So it was important announcement, important first announcement of the 2026 for those students who unable to afford the regular classroom program or writing approach program. Our another course is writing approach development program. Writing approach W, writing approach mentorship program, in which we cover 40 DPP, 40 DPP of 5 question in both paper. That means a total of 400 question, 200 in paper 1, 200 in paper 2. Through which we develop the writing approach, because one of the major problem in civil services and any UPSC examination, that it is a subjective exam in which what we have to write, what we know is important, but how you represent is most important, क्योंकि चेक करने वाले के पास आपका कॉपी होता है. So that is for this program. This program is for this. Writing approach, we provide DPP 2 days in a week, 4 days in a week. Like on Monday and Tuesday, DPP is provided. This discussion will be on Wednesday. Then Thursday, Friday, DPP provided and this discussion is on Saturday. 2 hour discussion, that what will be correct representation of answer. You have to submit this DPPs for evaluation. And in this also, we have 6 tests. So, these 2 courses are good for those students who are unable to afford the regular classroom program due to economic or due to any region time problem or anything. So whatever available on Photostat shop or Amazon or any place, that is, I am not responsible for that notes. So I think this information is valuable for you before taking the notes from XYZ. So, okay, thank you and all the best.